What's up? Here comes the 8th song for this series, and hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think of it. Here it comes.
I wanna go in the rain, forget my worries, forget my pain, feel every drop on my skin, no umbrella, take it all in. Oh, I wanna go in the rain. Oh, I wanna go in the rain. I wanna swim in the sea, know what it's like and learn to be, oh, just like a whale moving free, exploring the waters of the deep. Oh, I wanna swim in the sea. Oh, I want to swim in the sea. And I'll be a tree planted in the dirt, my hands to the sky, my feet in the earth, peace falling in every drop, keep on coming, rain don't stop. Oh, I wanna go in the rain. Oh, I wanna go in the rain. And I'll explore every part of the sea, learn what it's like without air to breathe. Oh, spending all my days sleeping in the depths and playing in the waves. Oh, I wanna swim in the sea. Oh, I want to swim in the sea.
Well, there you have it. I just want to go swimming in the rain. Swimming in the rain. Alright, well, let me know what you think and just be well. Alright, see you soon. See you in the next one. Bye. Take care.